Hi, my name is Brooklyn. I go to Headrice and I'm going to be a senior this coming fall. My final project was an alarm clock that I coded with onto an Arduino and used a touch shield for. Um, as you can see, here's my alarm clock. It has 3 buttons and also displays the time in digital and analog format. And so here are the buttons. This button refreshes the page to update the time. This button is where you can go to set alarms, and then you can refresh it here, and then you can press the test button, which will show up in a few seconds, to display what sound will be playing as your alarm. This is Kanye. So I chose this project because I've done a lot of coding in the past, specifically Java. I started in middle school, but I never really got to see the real-world applications just because of the nature of Java. So when I started this camp, I was looking through the project book and I saw this project and I saw that it was a lot of coding, so I thought that that would be pretty interesting. So that's why I chose this one. So a few challenges that I had with this project was that the Arduino Yun, which is an Arduino that can connect to the internet, which is super important for this project because it needs to have the right time to display, and the code uses the Arduino Yun's time. So one of my main issues was that it couldn't connect to the internet in the very beginning, which was very frustrating. But once we finally figured out the network chip was broken, we replaced the Yun, and then I thought it would be smooth sailing from there. But turns out that this code I found online using from the Instructable site didn't work for this shield. It was too old of a code, so I had to modify a lot of that. And then also I didn't do much code backing up throughout this process. So the other day I changed a little thing and completely broke my project. So I learned that always back up your code. But in the end, I have a working clock that has a nice Kanye alarm. So yeah, thanks for listening to my project.